Today we're checking out this AFE front tow hook in black for the 2022 and newer Tundras. If you want a clean, reliable recovery point up front without doing a full bumper swap or any modifications, a tow hook like this is a simple upgrade that can make a big difference when you actually need it, so it's definitely worth considering. This tow hook gives your Tundra a dedicated front tow hook that is ready for real-world recovery situations, whether it's pulling someone out, getting pulled out, or just having a solid point for straps and recovery gear. The best part is how straightforward it is. It installs with no drilling or modifications, and it just bolts right on. So you're not turning a basic recovery upgrade into some type of fabrication project. It also looks the part with this nice black finish, which keeps the front end looking clean and purposeful instead of adding something that's gonna stand out in a weird way. If your Tundra's gonna see the trails, muddy job sites, snowy roads, or you just want the peace of mind of having a proper recovery point, this is exactly the kind of part that you add and forget about it until the day that you're really glad it's already there. When it comes to the construction on this, you're gonna be getting a durable alloy steel tow hook with a black powder coated finish. The steel build is what gives it the strength that you want for recovery use, and that powder coat finish helps it hold up against weather, grime, and corrosion over time. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's gonna come in right around the $100 price range. That is a really solid value for a bolt-on tow hook that adds real-world utility and peace of mind, especially compared to more extensive recovery setups that require bigger changes to the front end. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it bolts right into place, and you can have this job done in 20 minutes or even less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers. To get this job done, all you're gonna need is a ratchet and socket set, and an extension might be helpful to help you reach some of the bolts.
You'll have to put the air dam in the service position. To do that, start your truck, shut the truck back off, then 45 seconds of shutting the truck back off. Hold this up for 2 seconds, and it'll put it in the service position.
You're going to want to remove this bolt here and this bolt here with a 17mm socket. And you're going to want to remove this bracket here. You'd have to take a screwdriver and pry right here to get it clear of these tabs so you come off the bracket right here. And just put the new one up in here and thread bolts back on. To the driver's side, you're going to remove the same bolts as before. Thread these ones on and put them down like the last each side.
That's going to wrap up our review and install of this AFE front tow hook in black for the 2022 and newer Tundras. And for all things Tundra, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.